Hi everybody, my name is Alicia Masters, and if you're thinking to buy or sell property in and around the Puerto Vallarta market, I am your girl. Today I'm located in a very unique property here in the marina. I love the location of the marina. You are centrally located in town. You're only about 5 minutes until you get to the airport, 15 to 20 minutes until you get down into the romantic zone. This neighborhood is so quiet. The streets are beautiful cobblestone streets. It's very clean. You've got bars, shops, cafes, restaurants, all here in the marina. It's about a 5-minute walk from where I'm at, where you're located here. I already told you you're on a golf course. You're on number 8 here, but let's get into the design details of this place where I'm at right now. So this is a really unique property. It's got 3 bedrooms with 3 full baths, but you do have a studio lock-off at the entrance. So you can live in part of this, rent the other part out, or vice versa. You've got a studio that would be an amazing rental, or if you wanted to rent your whole entire house out, move into the studio. I just love when you have options like that. So you do have 3 full bedrooms, but one of those 3 bedrooms is its own separate lock-off studio unit. And then you have this gorgeous space here. There are so many design details that I love here. This place has some really great bones, but it has been neglected, and you're going to notice that in the price. The price for this unit is $550,000 US. You've got a little over 3,000 square feet here, and I work with some amazing contractors who can whip this shape or whip this thing around and get it back into the perfect shape that it was meant to be. I love this unit, as if you're coming down here, you are a family and you've got kids that maybe want to go to the American school. That school is literally just 5 minutes from you. The kids can walk to school from where we're at here. So I love that you are in a great neighborhood if you have a young family. Also, if you're retirees and you're wanting to make some extra income, this is a perfect place for you too, because like I said, you have 3 bedrooms with the lock-off option, which is great if you're wanting a rental investment and then still be able to live in the other part of it. So hang out until the very end. I'm gonna throw some still shots up so you can see what this place looks like. If you want more information about this condo, look in the description down below. You're also gonna find my information there, how you can get in contact with me. We can set up a virtual showing or an in-person showing. If you wanna reach out to me, WhatsApp is the best way to do that. I get so many emails every single day, and with WhatsApp, you're gonna get a much faster reply. I'll put my number down here, and then you'll also find it in the description down below. That is everything, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. Like I said, hang out to the end if you'd like to see some still shots. Without further ado, let's go get into this condo, guys. Let's go. Welcome to the outside of Gaviotas. I just want to give you guys a good 360-degree view of everything that you're going to see all around you. As you can see, we are in a neighborhood here, a quiet neighborhood. I love to hear all of the birds chirping. You are only like 5 minutes walking to get down into where all the bars, shops, restaurants are at the actual marina, and then also for school. So as you can see, this place is kind of jungly when you're gonna walk through. You do have 2 parking spaces here. One parking space would be reserved for you. And I'm gonna just kind of tell you as we're walking through, there's a lot of unique things about this property before we even get in. So the ground floor is for sale for $12 million. The top floor is for sale for $7 million. The top floor, $550,000 US. This is the part that we're going to be getting into today. But if you did want some information on the bottom part, you wanted to buy the entire place as well, then let me know and we can schedule that. But for right now, we're just going to be focused on the top part. So there is an entry here. We just came through. You've got a little seating area here. Now this entire house is going to need some renovation, but the bones are absolutely great, and there's so many unique characteristics here. This is the reason why I wanted to come and shoot this condo, yeah, it is a condo. It's like a house on the second part, but this is the reason why I wanted to come and film this property today. So we're gonna walk through. This is your main entry. This door was locked. I just propped it open so I could come in. So you're gonna come through the main entry, and then you have an HOA here. The HOA is 5,000 pesos in total, and it covers all of your common area. So they just got a new pool pump. So I'm gonna kind of just walk around on the ground floor so you can kind of already go ahead and see everything that you have. So this is all common area down here. It's our rainy season, so the pool usually is really nice and blue, and I think they are doing a renovation on that. But you are right off of the 8th hole, and you're gonna see more as I'm walking over there. We're just a couple of guys that just came over here, and they were looking for their ball. So I'm going to just give you guys, I like to walk around so you can have all different viewpoints of what everything looks like in total here. So there are 4 properties that are going to share this space. So you have this house here, ground floor, upper floor is 1 unit, and then it's the same thing here. All 4 of these properties share this common area here. So you have like your own little private oasis here. And then I'm just gonna walk over and show you guys the green, which you're gonna be able to see this a lot better when we are upstairs. Okay, so now that you've seen the ground floor level, the first thing that I wanna take you to, because you have a lock-off option here. What is a lock-off option? That means that a part of your house, you have a separate entry for one of the areas. In this case, the lock-off is going to be a studio. So you have 3 bedrooms here with 3 full baths. That first unit is a studio. So as you walk up the stairs, you have 2 entrances. If I go through this door, usually there's laundry. You've got the hookups here for laundry. That's gonna take you into this main part of the house. But if you come through this little part here, this is the studio lock-off. And you even have behind these doors a kitchenette. So you can make this really cute. I mean, I like how you have everything. There's a little stove top here. You put a microwave in here, toaster oven. So you've got the good bones for a lock off. Nice high ceilings in here. Now, one thing that the seller's agent did mention to me is that the beams, they believe that the beams might need to be replaced. So if this was something you guys were interested in, we definitely have to get a structural engineer in here so we can find out exactly what we're looking for. But it's so cool. I think this place has so much potential. What you're not seeing here underneath is you've got a whole bench here by the pocket, by this beautiful picture window. I'm gonna move around. You've got the circular window up there, and that's what I mean. Like, this property has so much little places where I think it's just so cool. You can see they've got this set up with an office here. They have the bed, a little library. Then we'll walk through. Every one of the rooms has an ensuite bath. This is the ensuite bath in here. Very old school Mexican style with all of the tiles. I think that's really cool. I like how you have the window in the shower for ventilation. Again, super tall ceilings in here as well. And this door takes you to your little walk-in closet. I love all the tall ceilings, pitched roof. So you've got your walk-in closet here, and all of this is just the studio off of the primary living, okay? So this is our lock-off bedroom number 1. Now, you can go through this entry here, or you can go through the main doors. I'm just gonna use this as our primary entry here. So you do have a washer and dryer hookup here, an instant hot water heater. This is just your little bodega as you're walking in. And then you'll enter into the kitchen. And this is the open floor plan for the main house. So since we're already here in the kitchen, go ahead and give you an idea of what this looks like when you walk in. Whole new kitchen I would do in here. New cabinets, new countertop. I mean, we would have to get a quote in here to get to find out exactly what this is going to cost, but you're getting a 3-bedroom over 3,000 square feet here. The asking price is $550,000 US, and you have a really great location and some really great bones and some really great stuff to work with. I love how this is just so unique. You have the metal beams with the wooden roof here. It's just such a unique design. I like how you have the circular window there, a couple more picture windows there. All these doors, as you can see, open up. So you have an open concept living room, kitchen, dining room. They do have the built-ins here for the sofa, very old school Mexican style. I'm gonna just kind of move around so you guys can keep getting views of different parts of this property. It's just so cool. And I love how you're here, you're hearing the birds. Remember when I told you, you have, you're right on the 8th hole. So this is just a nice little balcony you can come out to in the morning or in the afternoon. Get a little bit of work done. Got a gardener down there. But so this is just another vantage point you can see of the common area. So now that we've had a look at the kitchen, living room, dining room, let's go back into both of the bedrooms. And you even have a really cool rooftop that they're not doing anything with. So this house has so much potential. It's just dying for the right person to come in with the right design aesthetic, and it can be really great. I'm just gonna keep moving around. This is the primary bedroom. So you have a lot of space in here. Again, you have another deck off the primary. I love that. But this is the kind of stuff where I'm saying, like, you can kind of see how it's in need of a renovation here. But the bones are great. You have all of these decks. I think it's so cool. Continue to give you guys different views of everything. Off of the primary, you have the bathroom. And the sink in here is actually really cool too. Check out the sink. All right, so another nice little space. And from here, you're going into the bathroom. And this is so cool too. I like this. So you can see you have this nice bench that goes all the way across. And then you have a cupola in your bathroom with some stained glass. So definitely really cool touches. You can do a lot with this space just with getting a new fresh interior designer in here and making this space what it was actually meant to be. So beautiful. Okay, so bedroom number 2, this is a little walkway. It's gonna take you up to the upstairs. Let's check that out in just a sec. Before we do this, I want to show you the 3rd bedroom. And now these are built-ins. They have 2 beds here, so that's concrete. That's gonna have to be busted out, but it's just another thing in the laundry list of items that need to get done here. But still really cool space, or not. Keep it as you have it here. You've got 2 full-size beds here, right? Gonna give you guys all the different views. Now you do have another ensuite bath with the same kind of sink that they have set up here. And this is your walk-in bathroom. All the Mexican tile. Small but functional. Okay, now let's make our way up to the upstairs unit that I was just showing you guys about. You do have you could make this like a cool little Zen garden. I kind of like the steps that they have here. Okay, going around. And an unused rooftop. So you can see they've got a little bench here. They have this design that they have with the concrete. This used to be something at one time. And you have a lot of space up here. So you can totally make this something really cool again. And I'm just gonna show you all the roof because look at all the space that you have. Could do something really cool up here. Just gonna come out and give you a view of the street. See how everything looks. All different angles. So as you all are aware now, this property needs some TLC for sure, but it's also reflected in the price. And they've reduced the price a lot. So if you want any more details on this property, let me know. I'm happy to go through any of the numbers with you. We can get a contractor out here so you know exactly what it's going to take to bring this back to its glory days. So yeah, let's go get into a recap, guys. Alrighty guys, so now that you've had a chance to see this beautiful property, let's get into the details one more time. You have 3 bedrooms here with 3 full baths, a little over 3,000 square feet. You are located right here on the green, hole number 8 in the marina. The asking price of this building is $550,000 US. Like I said, this place does need some TLC. I have some amazing contractors that I work with. We can get them in here. We can schedule an inspection to find out exactly what needs to be done in this building and then exactly how much it's going to take to get it to where it needs to be. But this is a dream of a property. Literally, I'm sitting here right now. I can hear the birds chirping. You can see people out here playing golf. You've got a beautiful pool downstairs, which is going to be beautiful whenever they get ready for the renovation of everything. So let me know if you guys want more information on this property. Again, look in the description down below. You'll see how you can get in contact with me. WhatsApp is the best way to reach me for a fastest response. Hang out to the end of this video if you guys would like to see some still shots, and that is my time. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. We'll catch you at the next one. Bye guys, peace.